The new GLS has room for even the largest of them, with 7 seats in total. Even people over 6 feet tall will find the third row comfortable, with seat heating and electric adjustment to boot. And of course, the GLS offers outstanding comfort and capability both on and off-road. This is thanks to the fully variable 4MANTIC all-wheel drive, as well as the e-active body control you know already from our GLE. The new GLS is powered by our advanced 48-volt electrical system, paired with our new 4-liter V8 engine and an integrated starter generator. It offers enhanced performance and improved fuel efficiency up to 20% compared to a conventional V8.
The new GLS has grown by 77 mm in length and 22 mm in width. On top, it offers 60 mm more wheel space, which causes a lot more space for passengers on the rear seats. As standard, all GLS now feature a leather interior. On top, there are two 12.3-inch screens combined to one widescreen monitor. And the GLS now also features the new Mercedes Infotainment system MBUX with all its modern functions.
The length of about 5.20 meters of course benefits the boot as well. If you fold down all the seats, that boot size increases up to 2,400 liters of maximum capacity, and you can have the car as a 7-seater if you want. But if you order the single seats like here, you can fold down each and any of them easily electric.
Every GLS now comes with the new air suspension as standard. Thanks to the new 48-volt technology, you can also order a system called Road Surface Scan. With this, the GLS will scan the road in front of the car to adapt the dampers for perfect comfort.